Hello, I'm Shadow. You have arrived at the final part of marketing. In the last part, you should have noticed how did the discount worked. This allows to be able to buy something. Recently told you that the discount price of gaming laptop has been found for $899, from original $1,199. Now, last but not least, we'll show you the profit and loss works. An income statement or profit and loss account is one of the financial statements of a company and shows the company's revenues and expenses during a particular period. It indicates how the revenues are transformed into the net income or net profit. A profit and loss statement is calculated by taking a company's total revenue and subtracting the total expenses, including tax. If the resulting figure, known as net income, is negative, the company has made a loss, and if it is positive, the company has made a profit. Suppose, the first and second example are Best Buy and Lowe's store for the year 2020. In Best Buy stores, the annual net income for 2020 was $1.541 billion, a 5.26% increase from 2019. On the other hand, in Lowe's store, the annual net income for 2020 was $4.268 billion, 85% increase from 2019. Which one has the highest share value? Well, its highest share is the Lowe's income in 2020, that is why the growth rate had sharply increased by 85%. Around the world, you might have seen the names of the exchanges like Nasdaq, NYSE, Dow Jones etc. Most of the people track the shares from the companies which are traded up if percentage greater than 0, or traded down if percentage less than 0, or no change if percentage equal to 0 from the previous close. Note that previous close by definition in stock market language refers to essentially the last trading price of the previous day, while open price on the other hand refers to the first trading price of the day. So you now know how the marketing system works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.